Hi, I'm Jessica, and I'm here with Rona Applebaum, Vice President and Chief Scientific and Regulatory Officer for the Coca-Cola Company. Now, let's talk a little bit about diet sodas. Coke uses a variety of different artificial sweeteners, such as aspartame, and I know you're aware of the talk of aspartame causing a lot of different illnesses. What exactly is aspartame, first of all?
Well, aspartame is basically an intense sweetener. Has probably 200 times the sweetening power of sucrose, and it's composed of 2 amino acids. Amino acids are the building blocks of proteins, very, very natural. The 2 amino acids are aspartic acid and phenylalanine, and these 2 amino acids together convey that very intense sweetening, that sugar substitute that we use in our products. It's a safe sweetener. We've been using it since 1981. Prior to 1981, there were decades of research done on this sweetener. And not only the United States, but practically all other governments throughout the world support the safety of aspartame.
So can you comment then on the internet rumors that aspartame causes headaches and muscle soreness and weakness, as well as stories of doctors telling their patients to just stay away from diet sodas?
Excellent question, but you hit the nail on the head. Rumors. These are rumors, these are myths. There's no scientific support, even though there's a lot out there to even in any way, shape, or form implicate aspartame in any of those myths, whether it's headaches, whether it's various chronic diseases. All the other effects that are out there have not, to this date, been substantiated. But the governments continue to look at anything that comes out, and they continue to confirm the safety of this very, very valuable and very safe sweetener. And I would encourage anyone who has any interest in aspartame to go to a government site, whether it's the Food and Drug Administration or to the American Dietetic Association. If you have the necessary information and you go to the expert bodies, you can identify what the truth is and what it isn't.
For more information about Live Positively and how Coca-Cola promotes sustainability, visit us online at www.coca-cola.com/join us.